Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is condo hunt number 3 and the final one. Today we're going to be looking at the Mews, the Manor and Stonor 3 all in Klcc. Just want to give a massive shout out to Maggie and Adrian, our agents who showed us round. We spent quite a lot of time with them looking at all the units.
Very good. If you are interested in the units in KL, we'll leave those guys' contact details in the comments below. Do hit them up, they are very, very, very good. I will mention that the Manor is a brand spanking new condo unit, got very low occupancy rate at the moment, but it will grow. Stonor 3 is much more established, and Mews, you can also get a short-term Airbnb rental in that particular building.
Yeah, it's a bit of a mix, isn't there?
Yeah. So we've got a good range for you today, guys, so let's go.
See you at the end.
Okay guys, ordinarily at this point in the condo tour videos would show you the local area. There isn't much need. All three were in central KLCC, so you are a couple of minutes away from anything. You're in the Golden Triangle, you're in the hotspot.
Yeah.
In terms of my personal favourite, I'm a fan of Stonor 3.
I liked it. I like the layout of the unit. I think I've learnt from this that I've mentioned before, we've never lived in apartments before, and I think it's personal preference how you like the layout to be. The manor for me was a little bit too flat, sounds weird, just like just oblong. It was just oblong and not, I don't know how to explain it, but I like the Mews best.
The Mews, you like the Mews best?
Yeah. Bigger rooms, well separated and boxier. I don't know if that's a word or if it makes sense, and Stonor was a little bit like that.
Yeah. I mean, I like Stonor because of the gadgets. I like the Japanese toilet and the mini half bath and things. And actually the gym and pool were really quite good in Stonor.
They were.
I felt that in sort of the Mews they weren't as well sort of equipped. The gym wasn't as good. The pool was all right, but it wasn't as fly.
Yeah, no, I get what you're saying, but yeah, I don't think we've found it yet, have we? Essentially is what we're saying. We've not found it yet.
But it has informed us. Now, we've got a little bit of time left in Malaysia in general, so we're going to be moving around a little bit, checking out a few more cities, but it's definitely informed our thinking if we did make that move here permanently, which we are very seriously considering.
We are. Well, thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, leave us a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.